In this video, I'm gonna make sure that you don't your first home buying experience with these 5 simple tips. As an architect, I've seen it all. I've seen people spend absurd amounts of money and still have to spend wheelbarrows more to make sure that it is livable. And livable is a pretty low standard of quality. Before you even walk into your potential house, I want you to look left and I want you to look right. Because if your neighbors on either side of you or even on both sides of you have dead grass, this can be a sure guaranteed way to realize what the quality of that suburb is. This street quality example can be the subject of discrimination. Unfortunately, it could lead to things as simple as your local government not reinvesting into that particular suburb or that particular street. It could lead into higher break-in rates, or it could even lead to call-out fees being significantly higher because tradespeople don't want to come to that particular suburb. Now, did you bring your phone charger? Because 1, you're going to need it to smash the like button.
Do it! Do it!
And 2, you're going to need this phone charger to basically go around and be a complete dick about things and check every single power point in that house. And that's by simply going up to every single wall point, plugging your phone in, and checking if your phone lights up. If it does, you're good to go. But remember, you genuinely have to be quite obnoxious about this. You have to go into every single cupboard, into every single void, and you have to turn on every single light switch in the process as well. Because an electrical fee and an electrical call out to come and replace the entire wiring of a house could cost you a pretty substantial amount. Now, this tip is incredibly annoying to everybody in that house, but it is a tip filled with bonus tips inside, so pay attention. If you aren't literally going around and hitting every single wall as you're walking into that house, you're doing something wrong. Because by going through the house and hitting every single wall, you're gonna figure out one of 3 things. First of all, you're gonna figure out if it's a brick or a framed house. If it's a framed house, it can tell you if it's insulated or it's not. You're basically gonna hit that wall as hard as you can, within some reason so you don't punch a hole in it. Go and hit an exterior wall, then come back and hit an interior wall, and I guarantee you're gonna know the difference. It also helps you understand if there's any underlying basic structural or water damage. You probably wanna go out and hire somebody who's gonna do a full structural report on the property anyway. Again, inspecting a home is gonna make you seem like a complete Fruit Loop, swinging your hose out in the front yard. But since you already have your hose in your hand, you might as well go and turn it on. Because you're gonna have to go outside, close every single door and every single window, and then literally just spray the doors and windows for a good 10 to 20 seconds. Yes, I understand this is a complete waste of water, I know, but it's not always going to be raining when you're going to inspect your property. And if it's not raining, you can't tell if any of those doors or windows are leaking. I'll admit, this last one is exceptionally gross. And even if you have a stomach of steel, it'll probably make it turn. I've heard some incredible horror stories in my day, but it's something that you have to do. So I need you to go out, find the chair, find the step ladder, find anything that's gonna give you a little bit more height. Because you're gonna have to get up into the hallway, find the manhole, push that manhole up very, very slowly. Don't find yourself with a family of possums, snakes, mice, or even rats living up there. Next, you want to take out your phone once again because you're going to need to smash the like button before you turn on your flash to actually check out what is up there. At the depths of the roof, there could be a nice little nest, there could be a family of rats and possums, or it could be just plain insulation, which is perfect and exactly what we're looking for. And that's it. I'm David Tomic. See you next time.